Hello, James Brunel Jr., arts instructor at SOCA, Southington Community Cultural Arts Center in Southington, Connecticut. You can visit our website at southingtonarts.org. We have art classes for youth and adults, and I'm also involved with the All Access Artist Program. We're going to show you a project today that is easy to do at home, can work with materials that you have.
A pop-up Origami Crane greeting card.
You'll need a piece of paper, preferably color, some cardstock paper, heavier weight, scissors, box knife, pencil and eraser, and a straight edge ruler. Typically, origami is paper sculpture created with square format paper, although you can use rectangular paper, and we can make square paper from the rectangle paper. Very easy to fold the bottom edge to one of the side edges. And then you can cut the excess paper off using either scissors or a box knife, even a paper cutter. It's very helpful to cut a nice straight, precise line. Origami paper comes in multicolored packs at your art supply stores, sometimes department stores. Typically they have a variety of colors to choose from. It's lightweight paper, and it also includes instructions on how to do paper folding and different techniques. Today we're going to be working with the paper crane. You start with a square format paper, fold it in diagonal, turn it over, and fold it back on the same fold. Do the same thing in the opposite direction. Fold it back on itself. We're also going to do crossways, where we fold the side edge to the other side edge, fold it back on itself, turn the paper 90 degrees, nice quick fold, back on itself. Typically, we're going to pull two corners in and flatten the piece into a quarter of the size.
Here's another quick demo getting you set up. Fold corner to corner, back on itself. Fold the opposite corners, back on itself. And then fold the rectangle and back on itself. Turn it a quarter turn. Fold it and fold it back on itself.